Uh-oh, there he goes.
Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. We may have to dig him out, though. Look, Pam, look. Careful.
Oh, I know there's a butt at one end ahead of another. Ooh, that's one long puppy. That is one long puppy. You don't fit? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you? He is. He's squished. He's squished.
Here he comes.
The other one's behind the butt.
Oh, God.
That's a good shot. Yes. How do I do that?
Wow.
Oh, puppy! Puppy! I think Willie's stuck, Patty.
You might be. But they do this, Pam, so you...
Look at the leg.
Really
Look at the leg.
And why they like these the best, I don't know.
What are you doing? Willie! Willie!
Just on eating dirt
Stuck in there.
Byron.
Stuck in there.
Here, Byron.
Stuck in there. Are you stuck? Oh, somebody biting your butt. Look at me. Look at you. What are you doing in there? What are you doing? Are you stuck? It's called, you're supposed to back up. I know, but your brother's in the other end. Oh, jeez. You're too... You're too heavy. The other guy's gonna get him.
Forget they're like mice, Pam.
Choking to death? Oh, God. You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Just pulling.
Yeah. Let him do it. Let everybody else pull him out.
Here, Harry.
Oh! Dragged him back by his tail.
That's quite a feat.
Harry! Oh. God, he's mean.
Isn't he? He's had to be.
Yeah, 'cause they picked on him. What are you doing? What are you doing, you goofy? Oh, you're stuck! Help me! Help me!
If I have it getting that burp up, too. It's really embedded.
Jeez. Come on, Willie. Come on, Willie. I think you're too fat for the brick now.
Oh, my God. What a face.
I know, look at him. Look at you.
Really, really, really.
Look at you.
Aren't I, Louie?
Look at you.
Look at your face.
Oh, he's stuck. You're stuck, huh? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? What are you eating? I'm going to pull you out?
I think if you were really stuck, he would be screaming by now.
No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here they come.
Oh, no.
No, here they come.
Oh, see?
Oh, jeez.
That's what they do. They weave in and out.
I can't get my big butt out. I can't get my butt out.
Byron, come here. Oh, my God.
He can't get his fat butt out. Hi, Harry. Hi. What are you doing? Harry. Uh-oh, somebody's coming in to get you. Somebody's going to get your butt. Harry. What happened to your nose? Hello. Come on, Harry. You can do it, I know. You can do it. Come on.
Come on, you're the smallest.
Come on, you can do it. Oh.
Oh, my goodness. Oh.
Look at your brother. Get your brother. Look at that face. Look at that. Now who's this? Is this Riley? I can't see you. You're too dark.
Oh, my God. Oh,
No.
Pam, that's so perfect.
I know. Look at this one. Look at you.